Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Saturday, November 3rd, 2018. On the 1st, there was a magnitude 6.1 earthquake near the South Sandwich Islands at a depth of 77 kilometers. This was the first major earthquake of November. Also on the 1st, there were two magnitude 6.2 earthquakes in a row in northern Chile, both at a depth of 109 kilometers, causing moderate shaking and several landslides. The Steamboat Geyser in Yellowstone National Park erupted for the 25th time in 2018 on November 1st. Yellowstone reports that this has been the geyser's most active year since 1964, which was the most active year on record, with 29 eruptions. Over the past few weeks, the geyser has been following a pattern of erupting about every 5 to 7 days. The geyser may set a new record for eruptions this year. A mud geyser near the town of Nyland, California, is growing rapidly, threatening nearby railroad tracks and a state highway, which may soon have to be closed. This area consists of a group of volcanoes known as the Salton Buttes, or Salton Sea mud volcanoes. One of the mud geysers in the field recently moved about 18 meters, or 60 feet in just one day, and is now threatening crucial infrastructure in the area. In the past 11 years, the geyser has moved very slowly, but the rate of movement has recently increased and is now encroaching on the railroad. Due to the current state of unrest, the Salton Buttes are considered high-hazard volcanoes. On the 1st, strong storms brought catastrophic flooding to parts of Saudi Arabia, once again flooding the desert and dragging vehicles through torrents of water. Also on the 1st, heavy rains in Sumatra, Indonesia, caused water levels in Padang to rise to dangerous levels, severely damaging infrastructure. On the 2nd, there was more severe weather in Italy after strong storms left parts of Sicily underwater. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. And check out our sponsor, virtualshield.com. Keep your info safe from big data spies. virtualshield.com. Just click the link I left in the description to start your free 30-day trial.